Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add social media to Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log into your Shopify account. Then after login into your account, click online store on the left of the screen, which is under the sales channel. Step 3, whenever you click on your online store, your store theme option will be visible. Then click the customize button in the middle of the right side of the screen. Step 4, click on the theme settings at the bottom left of the screen. Now, after clicking on theme settings, click on the social media button. Now, in the account section, you have to provide your all available social media links in the designated field. You just copy and paste your links here. After providing all of your social media links, you have to just click save button, which is top right of the page for saving. That's it, you have successfully completed the process. You can see your provided social icons in the social links section by scrolling down. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.